losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldi, and today's video is going to be a deep clean with me. My kitchen and my restroom are looking like a hot mess. Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a deep clean on my kitchen and my restroom. So typically I don't ever get the chance to do a really good deep clean because I'm a working mom, and by the time I get home I'm exhausted from driving all day, doing pickup, and then having to do lunch and everything. I'm just so exhausted, like I need to rest. I don't ever get the chance to do it during the week. And as far as the weekend goes, I'm really busy just trying to catch up on the week. So whenever I get the chance to do it once a month, I really put my effort into doing it. So today, on this day particularly, I actually only had 2 hours in the morning to basically do whatever I wanted, because for those of you who don't know and are new here, I'm a speech therapist assistant, and so I work hour by hour, client by client. I don't have a set schedule. I work by client. So I had 2 hours where I didn't have clients, so I got to go home and film this for you guys. And so speaking of speech therapy, I actually wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about it. I know on my channel I did a lot of speech therapy content, and I really do enjoy filming that for you guys. However, I feel like I've gotten to a point where I've exhausted all of the topics, and I really taught anything that I thought was really valuable to you guys. And so now I kind of want to transition more into mom content and just working and finding the balance between work life, personal time, and business. I feel like that's more of where I'm at the moment, because I'm doing my small business, I'm working, and then having another little baby, having my kids 10 years apart. I feel like there's so much more that I could bring value when it comes to that, and I really love organization and planning and doing all that stuff. So as far as my content goes, we're going to be switching over to more mom content, and I really hope you guys do stick around with that, because I'm still going to be talking about speech therapy, but it's more so of how work life and balance, basically work life and mom life balance. It's not going to be slowly on just speech therapy stuff. It's going to be on basically my entire life and how I'm managing it, because it's really tough when you're a working mom and having to do it almost on your own. I do have my partner who helps me a lot. However, it's hard being a working mom, and I'm sure you guys understand that. You have to keep up with chores, you have to keep up with homework time, bath time, and then on top of that, I'm doing my small business, so it's a lot, and I really want to bring you guys along for that journey, and I really want to document it and help somebody out there who wants to figure out how to live multiple lives in one life, essentially. Okay guys, so if you really enjoy videos like this, please let me know down below, and please like this video so I can make more of these deep clean and organization videos. If you don't like it, then please let me know down below so I know never to make this ever again, because I want to make content that you guys enjoy watching. And so let me know what organization videos you want to see. Do you want to see kitchen organizations? Do you want to see refrigerator organization, restocks, meal planning, meal preps, how I organize my kids' toy storage? Like, there's so much that we can do when it comes to mom content. I'm so excited. I have so many content ideas, but I also did want to let you guys know that below in the description I have a link to my email list I'm starting. If you want to join me, and I send you monthly tips on just organization and balancing mom work life and how to do it. And so I really hope you guys sign up and join the community of moms who have to figure it all out on their own. So the link will be below. There also is a freebie on morning routines. If you guys have not watched my last video, it's my morning routine video. And this year is going to be the year where we're becoming a morning person and we're accomplishing all of our goals. So down below is a freebie with some journal prompts on how to build your own morning routine for 2024. I also want to know if you guys enjoy the talking motivation cleaning videos, or do you like more so just play the music and I'll put this in the background type of thing. Because for me, I like somebody talking back to me while I'm cleaning and stuff. It just makes it feel like I'm not so alone. So let me know what type of cleaning videos you guys enjoy. Do you like the talking ones or the music? Comment please down below. I think this is the perfect time to talk about cleaning schedules. So for me, I love a good routine, a good system, because when you have a system in place, that's when everything starts working functionally. When you don't have a system in place, you kind of feel like a chicken with a head cut off, and you're basically wasting a lot of time because you're trying to play catch up. You're trying to do a million things at once, trying to multitask. So when you have a schedule set and say, okay, I'm dedicating this much time to do this, and I'm dedicating this much time to do that on this day, you know what's ahead and you can prepare for that. When you don't have a system in place, again, you're just running with like a chicken with the head cut off, trying to catch up on everything because you're so behind. So important step number one is to have a system. Each day you should be having a task done at some room in your house. So let's say Mondays are your cleaning the kitchen days. So you'll clean out the fridge and you'll go ahead and clean the stove. Little things of that sort, so that by the end of the week, you're not having to do it all at once and you're not trying to play catch up. You're doing little by little every single day. My second tip is to delegate tasks. Now, I delegate tasks to two different things. Number one, my partner. He is such a great help and he will take on any task without even me asking sometimes. So he's a great village. And then number two is I delegate a task to an electronic. So what does that mean? I have a robot that cleans my floors, that mops and sweeps my floors, and when I tell you guys, that thing is like my prized possession. Apart from my kids, it's my prized possession. If the house was burning down, I'd take it with me because it truly just gives me so much more time to do other things. So while it's mopping and sweeping the floors, I could be putting away my laundry. I could be editing this video. There's so many things I could do because there's something else doing the job for me. If you can make it work, I would say it is a great investment. I do not regret paying the amount that I did for my robot. He's wonderful. I call him Carlitos Jr. because he is like my second partner, like my third partner in this house. So I got my partner in crime and I got my little robot who helps me out. So I think it's a great investment if you have the money to spare to get it, because when I tell you you get your return of investment, you get your return of investment. So my tip number 3 is to just take 10 to 15 minutes out of your day to do that cleaning. I know as a working mom, you just don't have the energy just to put even 5 minutes into anything else. Like, you are burnt out from the day, and I totally get it. I'm right there with you, but I promise you, if you just take 10 to 15 minutes just to put everything away, and maybe even clean the stove while you're putting everything away, you're gonna feel a lot more better, and things are not gonna pile up at the end of the week where you're gonna end up having to do a whole reset for your entire home and taking the entire weekend having to clean up. If you just do something little by little every single day, I promise you, you're gonna feel a lot more better. Thankfully, I did have the morning to be able to do a deep cleaning like this, because I promise you, if I had my 1-year-old with me, I would have had 10,000 interruptions, which of course, you know, she's a little baby, so she's gonna need so much of my attention. But thankfully, I was able to get this done in under an hour and a half, cleaning up my kitchen and cleaning up my restroom and doing just this deep clean. Now that it's been a couple days and I'm editing this, my kitchen is still clean and it still looks really nice, and it feels so good at the end of the night just to put everything away, and it just looks so minimal and so nice. So I truly believe in taking one day out of the week to just deep clean everything, and then every single day going back and just putting things back to where it belongs, so that way it'll stay like this for a little while until you do your deep clean again. So we are here at the final step, just cleaning up my toilets and then going ahead and cleaning up the tub. When I tell you my tub was so disgusting, it was horrendous. Now I know, because of the way that the tub's floors are in this apartment, is that everything sticks to those little crevices because it's like a non-slip tub. And now I know that everything gets stuck onto those little crevices, and so every single time that we're finished showering, I'm gonna have to scrub the floors to get all that dirt off, because when I saw this, I wanted to throw up. This was so disgusting, and I don't like this tub at all. But it's a tub that's in the apartment. I can't change it, so we're gonna have to deal with it. And now I know that I'm gonna have to scrub my floors after I shower every single time. And I kept scrubbing these floors over and over again until I was able to only see white from the foam of the soap that I was using. And that took me a couple scrubs, and the floor is still stained on the floor of this tub, so I don't know how to get the stains out, but I'm just gonna have to use bleach or something. But oh my god, it was disgusting. Anyways, so this is the end of the deep clean with me. If you guys really enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, please let me know if you like the mix between the music and the talking, or if you want mostly talking, or you want only strictly music. Please let me know. Or even if you liked this type of content, yeah, please let me know. I will be making a lot more working mom content, and I really hope moving forward you guys will join me in this little adventure that we're going on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.